Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a Skittles margarita, frozen Skittles margarita. Look, I didn't even edit yet. I don't even get to see the drink before the video even starts. I mean, you know, it's giving you unprepared realness. It's giving you, oh my god, the strawberries were showing. Why did you keep talking? Because, you know. Anyway, you guys, this drink was amazing. I'm about to show you guys how I made it. Alright, I know I just dropped the video, but let's get into another one. These are my ingredients. I'm going to need Skittles, some sparkling strawberry margarita mix, Smirnoff strawberry, and of course strawberries. In this plate, as you can see, I done poured it too hard, y'all. It's all over the place. So just be careful with this step. You want to take out all the red ones because the red ones are the only ones I want in the actual drink. So you want to separate the reds from the other ones. In my mixer, I'm going to add 2 strawberries. I decided not to add too many. I didn't want it to be like smoothie consistency. Next, I'm going to add a couple shots of my Smirnoff strawberry flavor. Add your Skittles. I'm going to add the entire can of this sparkling strawberry margarita. This stuff was really good too, you guys. I've never had it before, and I would definitely get it again. Those little cans. And you want to blend that up, and that's pretty much it. But make sure you guys freeze your glass. I always tell y'all when I make a drink recipe, my glass go in the freezer. That's my first step. As you can see, it comes out a little runnier from the mixer, the blender. But once it hits the glass, it freezes up. Even when it, runs down the side, as you're going to see, it freezes right up. And this is why I always freeze my glass before I make my drink. So then I decided to just put all the colors of the Skittles on top of the glass. Just to make it prettier. I love this drink. I'm about to try it and let you guys know what I thought about it. And we're back. So now I'm just gonna try it for you guys. Look at this. Ooh, let me take this off. Look at the, it smells. Y'all know I'll be scared. You gotta wait to test it out. Girl. Now I will say, like I said before, it's not super strong like my other drinks. Make sure you check the description box. I'll make sure I have my drink playlist below. So if you like super strong drinks, creamy drinks, more, I have all kinds of drinks, y'all. Non-alcoholic drinks, I have everything. But this drink is delicious. You do taste the Skittles. Especially the ones that how I piled it on there and melted down. That got all down in there, and it's so delicious. Like I said, it's not super strong. The strawberry comes through. You know what I taste? The sparkling the can stuff, the sparkling margarita, strawberry margarita can stuff. That also has alcohol in it, guys. So it's not like I was pouring all that juice on top of the liquor. The canned stuff also has, I think, 10% alcohol. So it all balanced out. But like I said, this will creep up on you. You won't taste it because it's so delicious. But this will creep up on you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, you guys.